Today I am going to be talking about expanding India's defense expertise, which is a new frontier for veterans. India's defense industry is making significant strides not only in producing and exporting indigenous platforms but also in garnering global attention for its technologies. Collaborations like Tata's agreement with Morocco to set up a factory for the Wheeled Armored Platform or WAP highlight the growing influence of Indian defense manufacturing. Systems like the Pinaka rocket launcher and BrahMos missile are now being exported, while platforms such as Dhruv helicopter and Tejas fighter jet are drawing interest worldwide. Indian built ships are also attracting international customers, establishing India's expanding presence in the global defense market. This growth creates a critical need for comprehensive maintenance support, presenting a unique opportunity for India's defense veterans. So, how can we leverage India's maintenance expertise? The Indian Armed Forces have developed expertise in maintaining equipment from both Western and Eastern Europe, including extensive experience with Russian origin systems, widely used by many countries. India's defense veterans, having maintained this equipment throughout their careers, are now a valuable resource. Their skills are essential for countries that have procured Indian systems or use similar military technology. By deploying these veterans to assist friendly foreign nations, India can strengthen diplomatic ties and provide essential maintenance services, ensuring the long term operational effectiveness of the exported equipment. So, let's look at formalizing the veteran deployment programs. Many Indian defense veterans are already working globally, often contracted by foreign governments. There is a strong case for formalizing these deployments through government to government agreements, where teams of Indian veterans could offer maintenance and training expertise to allied nations. Military technical training is a specialized field that demands continuous updates due to rapid advancements in communication systems and weapon platforms. To stay relevant, training programs must evolve or they risk leaving soldiers with outdated skills that could compromise their operational readiness. Now, what are the challenges in military technical training? Several factors make maintaining up to date technical training programs challenging. First is technological advancements. As systems evolve, training must be updated regularly to prevent knowledge gaps. The next one is resource constraints. Limited peacetime budgets can restrict hands on training opportunities with current systems. The next one is attrition of skilled personnel. Many skilled technicians leave for higher paying civilian jobs, disrupting training programs. The next issue is cross disciplinary knowledge. Modern military systems often require expertise across various fields like electronics, IT, and mechanical systems. So, this has to be looked at. Next one is operational demands. Active deployments can divert personnel from training, reducing skill development opportunities. So, this is also a constraint. Veterans offer a solution to many of these issues. Their extensive hands on experience, especially with diverse systems from both Western and Eastern blocs, makes them invaluable. Veterans are also less likely to be pulled into operational duties, allowing them to focus entirely on training and equipment maintenance. So, how do we structure a training establishment? Effective defense training establishments require a strong command structure with a commanding officer, second in command, and departments focusing on specific technical areas like mechanical, electrical, and electronics. Skilled instructional staffs are crucial to delivering high quality training, while finding qualified instructor is in emerging fields can be difficult. Veterans are ideally suited for these roles due to their years of practical experience. Now, what are the diverse needs across the armed forces? Each branch of the armed forces has distinct technical requirements which further emphasize the need for specialized training. Given the diversity of expertise needed, India's defense veterans are well positioned to provide critical training across these areas. So I feel global opportunity is there for India's veterans. India has a long history of deploying military training teams abroad, from formal defense training missions to United Nations peacekeeping operations. Indian veterans, with their extensive experience and technical knowledge, are valuable assets for nations seeking to establish robust military maintenance and training programs. As India's defense exports increase, so do opportunities for veterans to play a crucial role in supporting these equipment globally. Whether through government to government agreements or private contracts, India's veterans can meet the growing demand for skilled military maintenance and training services in friendly nations. This is an opportunity which is there for India to leverage its defense exports and ensure the veterans are at the forefront of this global opportunity. By doing so, India can provide essential support to allied nations, strengthen diplomatic relations, and cement its position as a leader in global defense technology and training. Thank you for listening, and with this, we come to the end of this particular episode. We look forward to bringing more such episodes to you. Jai Hind.